No issues. Good evening, all of you. So let us discuss what is the deleted portion for 2021 and 2022 board examination. So as we know that this is science syllabus, actually the core structure of class 10th science, and we have two board examinations. So term one, as I have already taught you in the last video. So the first chemistry, 3 chapters are there. Chapter 1, 2, 3. So totally how many marks will come? 16 marks. And biology only single chapter, chapter number 6. 10 marks will come, and coming to the physics at chapter number 10 and 11 will be there. From that it is to come 14 marks. This is all about the term 1 board examination. So totally 40 marks it will be there. So the number of questions also will be, how many number of questions run? Number of questions will be how many? Only 40. Do you understand? Only 40 number of questions will be there. So that is also you have to understand. Next, coming to the term 2, chemical substances and natural phenomena. Chemistry only 2 chapters will be there. So 4 and 5, 10 marks will come. And world of living chapter number 8 and 9 means biology. I will say you the chapters and deleted portion also. In that also some deleted is there. We will discuss now. So 13 marks will come. And the effects of current means both electricity and as well as magnetism. Both chapter number 12 and 13, 12 marks will come. And from chapter number 5, resources, natural resources, we used to get the 5 mark. So chapter number 15. So this is all about the term 1 40 marks and term 2 40 marks, and as well as total theory 40 plus 40 80, and internal assessment term 1 10 and internal assessment term 2 10. For this internal assessment also they have given 1 chapter, that is also we'll see. So total number of marks is 100. Now let us comes to here. Already I have taught you the latest syllabus, so term 1 and term 2. Now what is deleted we are going to study now. So let us comes to here the previous year syllabus if you'll go. So first chapter if you'll observe chemical substances and chemical substances under nature and behavior. So if it comes to here, the first chapter, all of you open page number, if you open your textbook, page number 1, I think first chapter is only correct. Chemical reactions and chemical equations and chemical reactions and equations. Is it correct? So chemical reactions and equations, there is no kind of deletion. It is completely present. It is actually old syllabus. Old syllabus, why I am showing you? You have to know the exact deleted syllabus. So first chapter, is there any deletion? No. Do you understand? That is you have to remember it. Now next second chapter also if it comes to the acid, bases and salts is also no deletion, completely existed it is. Please mark that. So first two chapters, no deletion at all. Okay. Next coming to the metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals, open all of you, take your textbook, metals and non-metals. Now metals and non-metals, only you remember we have till ionic compounds. After that, basic metallurgical processes, corrosion and its prevention is deleted portion. So whatever I am marking here, it is all deleted. So I am saying the page number also. So if you open page number 49, all of you open your textbooks and mark it. Page number 49 to next till the end of that chapter, it is there till page number 55. So page number 55, it is deleted portion. Is it okay all of you? So this is all. So basic metallurgical processes and corrosion as well as and its prevention methods is completely deleted. So till we have ionic compounds only. If you open page number 49, do you have a occurrence of metals? Now you respond yes or no at least. Occurrence of metals 49.
Yes,
have you seen the heading occurrence of metals?
Yes, sir.
Above we have a totally 2 number of questions. The questions is there. 2 questions are there in page number 49 above till there. Next after it is everything deleted. Mark it. So in exercise, the questions related to this concept, you can avoid it. Later we will discuss that if you want. So that is what it is. Please make it fast. 49 to 59 is what? Deleted portion. Deleted from this chapter. Is it clear? This is the term 1 syllabus of chemistry. Any doubt, anybody? Okay. Now, I say yes, sir, at least coming to the next second chemistry term 2. Open all of your carbonates compounds. If you open carbonates compounds, so till page number, all of you open page number 67. So we have a till homologous series only. After that, everything is deleted. This all the things are deleted. Everything in this chapter, more deletion in this chapter only. So this all the things are deleted. This is the previous year one. That is what I am deleting. So the only existed syllabus is till homologous series. What is that? Till homologous series. So what is that I want to say now? So that is, all of you open page number 67. It is there. Have you checked it? 57. Nomenclature of carbon compounds. Is there heading? 57. Sorry, 67. Say yes, Ray.
Yes, sir.
So till there, from there, everything is deleted till last. You mark it, please, all of you. Till from there, here you may observe. What is the next deleted concept? Only nomenclature. Nomenclature from there, everything is deleted. So you all mark it. From there, you can fold the page or else you can mark it with a star or something. So from there is no syllabus is present. So till homologous series only. Remaining nomenclature of carbon compounds, page number 67. I'm saying you, this is for term 2. Term 2 chemistry examination, the present board examination. So page number 67 is there. Please check it, all of you. Page number 67 to end of the chapter. End of the chapter, it is completely deleted. End of the chapter means till page number 76. Everything is deleted except exercise. Exercise, some related questions are there. You have to practice it. Clear? Marked it or not?
Yes, sir.
7 to 76, everything is deleted for term 2. Term 2 chemistry is very, very less syllabus portion. Next, periodic classification of elements, everything is there. Please mark it, all of you. Periodic classification of elements completely, no deletion. No deletion. Is it okay, all of you? So that is what you have to remember. So periodic classification, no deletion, and as well as chemical reactions and equations, no deletion. Acid, bases, and salts, no deletion. Clear? This is all about the chemistry. If anybody is having any doubt, you can ask me. Now, coming to the biology. Biology, term 1 we'll see. Term 1, only life process. Control and coordination completely deleted. You mark it. Life process fully is there. No deletion. No deletion in life process. Please mark it, all of you. So life process we have already completed. Is it correct? Any doubt, anybody, you can ask me. Clear? Solra? So now control and coordination, if you open page number 114 to till end of the chapter, nothing is existed in the chapter. You can delete it, you can delete everything in the chapter. So I will say you till page number 126. Page number 114 to 126 completely deleted. Clear, everybody? Ashika? Okay. Next, coming to the
Yes, sir.
Reproduction, this is for term 1. Term 1 only one chapter. Term 1 only one chapter. Now term 2 if will come, reproduction completely is there. Term 2, reproduction, no deletion. Please remember, reproduction, no deletion. No deletion in reproduction. Clear? Okay. Now, coming to the heredity and evolution, basic concepts of evolution, this all deleted. Only till introduction is there. This is deleted portion. Please remember. Basic concepts of evolution. I will say the page number. Law for inheritance of traits, sex determination, brief introduction. Till there it is there. Basic concepts of evolution completely deleted. So open page number. I will say you. 1 minute. Yes. Page number 147. All of you check it. Page number 147. Sex determination, basic evolution. Till there it is there. Page number 147. You have evolution heading. Have you seen it? Please check it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So from evolution means we have a question, correct? 4 questions are there in the top. Have you noticed it? Page number 147. Page number 147.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There it is there. Next after evolution. So page number 147 from evolution to till end of the chapter. Till end of the chapter means where it will come? 1 minute. Till page number. It is actually very big chapter. So biology also very less. Page number 158. Completely deleted. This is deleted. Is it okay, all of you? Clear? Biology also over. So term 1 also very less syllabus biology. If you'll observe, clear? Only reproduction full chapter and heredity evolution till brief introduction. That's all. Sex determination, brief introduction. Clear? Chemistry and biology, any doubt you can ask me. Marked it? So control and coordination completely deleted. That nothing is existed. Already you studied, I know, but you leave it. Now, coming to the reflection, physics raw. Now physics reflection only from here to here it is there. That is what the natural phenomena. First chapter and second chapter completely is for only term 1 examination, but here also some deletion is there. That is function of lens in human eye and detects of vision. This is all deleted portion. Mark it. I will say the page number. So reflection and refraction of light completely existed. All of you mark it. Deleted portion alone, you please fold the page numbers. So this is deleted. You can mark it. So second chapter, human eye and colorful world. What is the chapter number? I think chapter number, light chapter number 10. Chapter number 10, no deletion. Everything is there. No deletion in chapter number 10. Here actually they combined, that is why. So till here what we can call chapter 10. Is it correct? Chapter 10. Now from here it is chapter 11. Chapter 11, human eye and colorful world. So in this first half is deleted. I will say the page numbers also. But already we have studied in school, so that doesn't matter. So page number, all of you open. Page number 187. From 187 to 191, you have something. Have you noticed it? Think it over is there. 191. Think it over. Have you seen? Solra?
Yes, sir.
Till there it is not there.
Sir.
We have 11.3. 11.
Yes, sir.
11.3. What does it? 11.3.
Refraction of light through a prism.
From there it is there. That is what? Refraction of light through a prism. From there it is till the last. Is it okay? Clear? So only first half is deleted. Okay, da? First half is deleted and the remaining everything is there. So from 11.3 it will be continuing.
So for chapter 10, no deletion.
Chapter 10, no deletion. Okay. From 11.3 it will last till last it will continue. Please remember that. So refraction of light through a prism, dispersion of light, scattering of light, applications in daily life. So this is about it. Okay, clear all of you? Any doubt you can ask me. Now this is after this is what for term 1. Term 1, that is all about the physics. Now coming to the second term. Yeah, effects of electric current and magnetic effects. Both the chapters they have been combined as a single. Now this is chapter number what? Chapter number 12, I think, correct?
Yes, sir.
So chapter number 12, deleted portion is from page number 199. Page number 199 to means basic concepts, all the things are deleted. So till where I will say you, this is the deleted portion. Please mark it. Till here, no, nothing is there. From here it is there. From here to last, completely existed. Is it okay, all of you? So this is what the deleted portion. I am underlining here. Electric current, potential difference, and electric current. This is what the deleted portion means. From page number 199 to I am marking. Page 203. Page number 203. We have a circuit diagram. Have you noticed it? Ohm's law. Ohm's law is there. Okay. From Ohm's law it is there. And anyhow, circuit diagrams, that symbols also important for us. That symbols also you remember. So till 202 you take it. Is it clear, all of you? Till 202, because circuit diagram symbols it is useful for numericals for us. That is why 199 to 202 you have to take it. Till questions are there. Circuit diagrams, from circuit diagrams it is there. Please mark it, all of you. From circuit diagrams it is there. We will continue from there. Is it okay, all of you? 199 202 is not there. 199 202 till that page number means till W equals to VQ. One example is there. 12.2 after 3 questions are there. Till that it is deleted portion. Remaining exit as it is there till last. Okay. Any doubt? So delete.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Next coming to the magnetism. Magnetism is 13th chapter. Correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So chapter 13 this is. Chapter 13 and this is chapter 12. Chapter 12. Now chapter number 13, directly come, everything is there. From first, everything is there. Directly come to page number 236. Page number 236, all of you come. Page number 236. So page number 236, you have a heading. Something is there. What is that?
Electric generator.
There everything is deleted till last. Please remember this. This is what the deleted portion. Electric generator, direct current, alternative current, frequency of AC, advantages of AC over DC, domestic electric circuits. Everything is deleted. Clear? Any doubt you can ask. Rajita, only Fleming's right hand rule we have. Till page number 235 only we have. From page number 236 to till the last. Till the last means 238 it is deleted. Is it clear, all of you? Exercise page numbers I am not mentioning because we have to check it which is existed, which is not existed. While you are solving, you can understand it. No issues. So is it clear? This is all about the physics. And the last chapter is there, which is 5 marks. Very, very important. Natural resources. Natural resources, chapter number 14 this is. Chapter 14. What is this? 14. Completely deleted. Avoid. Fully deleted. Nothing is there in chapter 14. Fully deleted. Is it okay, all of you? Chapter
Okay,
14 is fully deleted. Now, coming to the chapter 15. Chapter 15 completely existed. From this 5 marks will come. Very easy chapter, but surely 5 marks will come. If you are very thorough, definitely we will going to get 5 marks out of 5 marks. So fully. So till here only, board 1 and board 2, both the syllabuses till here only. Understand all of you? Chapter 15, our environment, 5 mark will come. Completely existed. No doubt in that. Any doubt? Anybody? Now, management of natural resources, it is not for board. Remember this. This is not for board. This is for internal assessment. What is this? For internal assessment. Internal assessment means in the sense of, from this you have to choose some topic, you have to write like a own thesis, like what you understand, what is your explanation for that, is there any problem you can, what is your solution, what is the way of your explanation, like that you have to write some thesis. That is what this chapter. So only chapter 15 is there. This chapter is chapter 16. This is also not there for board. Do you understand, Ra? Only for internal assessment. That is what you have to remember. If you'll observe chapter number 16, this is what the present year syllabus. So if you'll observe only till, just a minute, it is scrolling now. So chapter number 16 only for internal assessment. So you can choose anything. You can see they are saying write up. We have to write a brief write up on any one concept of this unit in the portfolio. So your portfolio is there. So portfolio also carries marks, correct? So some concept you choose and you write your something. Suppose you can choose big dams. In our India, so many dams are there. You can write what is the advantages of constructing dams, what is the disadvantage of constructing dams, like one page something, like a brief write-up. Write-up means some A4 sheet, something you write and make it in a portfolio. That's all. Understand, right? So chapter number 16 is also not there. So this is all about the science deleted portion and existed portion for 2021 and 2022. So if anybody is having doubt, you can ask me. If not, that's all regarding the science. Any doubt?